Biosyn Genetics establishes a dinosaur preserve in Italy's Dolomites to conduct genomics research, ostensibly for pharmacological applications, amid global efforts to control the invasive species. Claire Deering, Zia Rodriguez, and Franklin Webb of the Dinosaur Protection Group continue to investigate illegal dinosaur breeding sites. Claire's partner, Owen Grady, assists in the relocation of stray dinosaurs. Claire and Owen secretly raise 14-year-old Maisie Lockwood, Benjamin Lockwood's biogenetic granddaughter, and protect her from nefarious groups seeking to exploit her unique genetic makeup at their remote cabin in the Sierra Nevada mountains. When Blue, Owen's velociraptor, returns with an asexually reproduced hatchling, Maisie names it Beta. Maisie, growing increasingly frustrated with her isolation, flees, but mercenaries kidnap her and capture Beta. Dr. Alan Grant, a paleontologist and Ellie's former partner, receives a captured locust. They discover that the locust was genetically engineered with DNA from Cretaceous period arthropods and modern migratory locusts. Franklin, who is now working for the CIA's Dangerous Species Division, informs Claire and Owen that Maisie has been taken to Malta. Claire and Owen infiltrate a dinosaur black market with Owen's former Jurassic World co-worker Barry Semben, who is leading a French intelligence raid. During the foray, carnivorous dinosaurs are released, wreaking havoc. Claire and Owen discover that Maisie and Beta have been transported to Biosyn, and sympathetic cargo pilot Kayla Watts agrees to transport them there. Dr. Ian Malcolm, a chaotician now working for Biosyn, has asked Ellie for help in exposing CEO Dr. Lewis Dodgson after communications director Ramsey Cole warned him about Dodgson's illegal activities. Dodgson uses dinosaurs to control the world's food supply and coerces former Incan geneticist Drive Henry Wu to modify the transgenic locust. Wu opposes the plan, claiming that it will lead to global famine as locusts spread unchecked. Wu approaches Maisie and explains that his former colleague, Drive Charlotte Lockwood, Benjamin Lockwood's deceased daughter, replicated and gave birth to the genetically identical Maisie using her own DNA. Charlotte altered Maisie's DNA to prevent her from inheriting her fatal disease. Wu believes that Maisie and Beta's asexual conception and DNA are critical to developing a pathogen that will stop the locust outbreak. In Biosyn's airspace, a Quetzalcoatlus attacks Kayla's plane, forcing Owen and Kayla to crash land while Claire is ejected. The three reassemble after separate encounters with Therizinosaurus, Pyroraptor, and Dilophosaurus. Inside Biosyn, Ian and Ramsey led Ellie and Alan to a restricted lab in order to obtain a locust DNA sample. They come across Maisie and take her with them. When Dodgson discovers the breach, he incinerates the locusts to destroy evidence. The resulting inferno escapes through an air vent, igniting a wildfire around the site. Alan, Ellie, and Maisie barely make it out of the facility before coming across Ian. They meet Owen, Claire, and Kayla, who are later joined by Ramsey. Dodgson escapes with dinosaur embryos via Hyperloop, but gets stuck in a tunnel after Ellie and Claire reroute the power and is promptly killed by 3 Dilophosaurus. As the group works together, Owen captures Beta with the assistance of Alan and Maisie. During a battle between a Giganotosaurus and the first park's veteran Tyrannosaurus, Rexy, they and Wu escape in a Biosyn helicopter. Ellie and Alan rekindle their romance before testifying against Biosyn alongside Ian and Ramsey. Returning home, Owen, Claire, and Maisie reunite Beta and Blue. Wu releases a pathogen-carrying host locust, gradually eradicating the swarms. Dinosaurs and humans coexist in a new way, and the United Nations designates Biosyn Valley as an international dinosaur sanctuary. That's all, guys. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe the channel. Hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment,